Hi friends, how are you? Hope you'll be fine. So once again, I'm with another great video of American quarter horse. So you can see here. So this is American quarter horse. So this breed is so different and so unique breed in the world of horses. So look at his backside, his strength, his tail, his face, and his. Basically, this is a riding animal I have ride today, and will soon upload a video of this. Now he's eating green grass. Basically, he's only eating green grass. So look at his so beautiful to watch. He's crossing and in a green grass, but in fact here is lot of other agricultural land and some green grass, but he's only like to eat green grass. That's the amazing fact of this. So amazing fact of this horse. So you can see live. So watch it. So look at this. He's eating only green grass. So a lot of other grass there green, but only he's like just green grass. So look at his eyes. Basically these have American quarter horse have little ears and hairs on his head and his tail, and also on chest. Look at this. These have hairs. So watch this. They are always so beautiful and so classical horse in the horse history. They mostly use in racing, and mostly people like riding on him because they are so easily not any kind of nutties in these horses. So that's why they are so classical horse always. So mostly so many type of names in different regions. So like but so famous name of this breed is the American quarter horse. So watch it using legs and grazing. So taking green grass only. So watch this, grazing green, like the green grass, not any other. That is a specialty of this horse. Oh, nicing. It's nicing and smelling like this. Oh yes, yes, yes. Fantastic. Like this. So thank you so much. Keep watching my YouTube channel, and also subscribe. My YouTube channel will produce a lot of good videos like this where you can enjoy. Thank you so much.